We're going to talk about a simple and effective practice that can help you relax and find inner peace: meditation. Meditation is a great way to reduce stress, improve focus, and increase self-awareness. It's all about finding a quiet space and taking a few moments to connect with yourself. First, find a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Make sure your back is straight, but not rigid, and relax your shoulders. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, then slowly exhale. Focus on your breath, feeling the sensation as it enters and leaves your body. Let go of any thoughts or distractions, and just be present in the moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Don't worry if it happens, it's completely normal. The key is to be patient and gentle with yourself. As you continue to breathe deeply, you may start to notice a sense of calm and relaxation washing over you. This is the power of meditation. It allows you to quiet the mind and find peace within. Try to meditate for just a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. You can use a timer or a meditation app to help you keep track of time. Remember, meditation is a personal practice, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. The most important thing is to show up and give yourself the gift of stillness. So, why not give it a try? Find a quiet spot, get comfortable, and take a few moments to connect with yourself through meditation. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your life.